Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will share with you the art of planning a surprise proposal for your man. Whether you're in a long-term relationship or just starting off, surprising your man with a proposal is an incredibly special moment. We will guide you through the planning process step by step, ensuring you create a truly memorable proposal. The first step in planning a surprise proposal for your man is to reflect on your relationship. Think about the milestones you've achieved together, the special moments you've shared, and what makes your relationship unique. This will help you come up with a proposal idea that is meaningful and reflects your journey as a couple. The location of your proposal sets the stage for this special moment. Consider your man's interests and preferences. Is he a nature lover? Does he enjoy art or music? Choose a location that aligns with his passions. It could be a romantic outdoor setting, a rooftop with a breathtaking view, or a cozy corner in a favorite coffee shop. Adding personal touches to the proposal will make it even more special and unique. Consider his favorite hobbies, inside jokes, or shared memories. Incorporate these elements into the proposal to show him how much you know and appreciate him. Whether it's a surprise serenade, a customized gift, or a heartfelt speech, make it all about him. Planning a surprise proposal can be overwhelming, so don't hesitate to enlist the help of friends and family. They can assist you with logistics, setting up the scene, or capturing the moment on camera. Remember, their involvement will make the proposal even more special and create beautiful memories to cherish. Finally, the big day has arrived. Make sure to take care of all the necessary preparations beforehand. On the day of the proposal, stay calm and enjoy the moment. Be in the present and embrace the excitement. Remember, it's not about the size or extravagance of the proposal, but the love and intention behind it. Congratulations on successfully planning a surprise proposal for your man. We hope this guide has been helpful in making this moment truly special. Remember, the art of planning a surprise proposal lies in personalization, thoughtfulness, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to share your proposal story with us in the comments below. Stay tuned for more relationship tips and advice on our channel.